So it's like week 4 or 5 of quarantine. Can't really keep track anymore. And boredom has started to set in. I started running, and I hate running. I organized files on my computer the other day. I've watched all the movies I want to see on Netflix, and we treat going to the grocery store like a date now. The other day, I drove around in my car to nowhere just to change up the scenery. So it's time to get creative. You could try out cooking. Or sewing. You could try trick shots around the house. But you might want to try something outside. Like wakeboarding in April. Send a grant. That water is cold. You can go outside and play some games with your family. Just make sure you're practicing social distancing. All right, no, David, scoot further back. Further. No. Remember, you're dark blue, I'm light blue. Don't touch the wrong one. You can redo your house. Or you could do parkour at home. You can start a fire. Boom! Oh no, we're out of toilet paper. Clay, I need a delivery ASAP. All right, to earn an extra buck during quarantine, I decided to do some toilet paper drone delivery. Thanks, Clay. But one of my favorite ways people are getting creative is filming these TikTok videos. So I took to Instagram to ask you guys to do a TikTok video. The challenge was to juggle a roll of toilet paper and then to pick something bigger and better around your house. And this is what you guys sent me.
Yeah, that's good.